Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the unit system in the PlantIn app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the PlantIn app. And here it opens up in My Plants. From here we just have to go into More. And then in the top right corner, tap on the cog. And then tap on Unit System. And here, as we tap on it, it's going to switch from imperial to metric, and then back again. And yeah, this way we can set the measurement system for our app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the bye.